This video is designed to guide you through the process of effectively using the role-based dashboard, helping you maximize its features and functionality. In the previous videos of this course, you learned about the dashlets available in each role-based dashboard and the insights they provide into your Sugar data. Now, we will explore the various actions you can take within a dashlet. The Actions menu provides a range of options for interacting with Sugar data in different ways. To access it, click the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner of any report dashlet. The following actions are available. View Report opens the report in the Reports module in a new browser tab. Reset to Dashlet Defaults resets the dashlet's sorting and filters to their original configuration. Note that this action only applies to the current dashlet. If the dashlet is on a shared dashboard, other users' dashboards will not be affected. Refresh Results updates the report results by refreshing the CRM data. Download Chart downloads the chart as a PNG file. The file name will include the report name, username, and the download date and time. The Filter tab displayed on every report dashlet shows the runtime filters applied to the current dashlet. While you can modify existing filters in this tab, new filters cannot be added. To edit a filter, click the funnel icon on the dashlet, make your desired changes, and click Apply to update the results. You may have noticed that some dashlet runtime filters are blocked. This occurs because they are already being applied at the dashboard filter level. To view dashboard filters, click the Dashboard Filters button, funnel icon, in the upper right corner of the dashboard. This will open the Dashboard Filters panel. It is important to understand how dashboard filters impact runtime filters within dashlets. While dashboard filters apply to all dashlets within a dashboard, runtime filters allow individual dashlets to have their own unique set of filters. Understanding how these filters interact is essential for correctly displaying and interpreting dashboard data. To see which dashlets are affected by dashboard filters, hover over a dashboard filter group in the Dashboard Filters panel. This will highlight the group and the associated dashlets impacted by that filter. Keep in mind that the names of filters in the Dashboard Filters panel and the Runtime Filters tab may not always match. However, if both filters reference the same Sugar data, any changes made to the dashboard filters will be reflected in the runtime filters as well. Additionally, other dashlets within your dashboard may be affected even if they are not currently visible on your screen. Adjusting dashboard filters. To make changes, simply modify the dashboard filter settings in the Dashboard Filters panel according to your requirements, then click Apply to update all configured dashlets accordingly. Thank you for watching.